Now, good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss this point to find ratio of three or more quantities when ratio of pair are given. Sometime in the question, three quantities will be given to you. That means you have to find the ratio of three quantities, and the ratio of pair will be given to you. For example, ratio of A is to B is given, ratio of B is to C is given, and you have to find the ratio of A, B and C. So how can we solve this type of question? So let us explain with the help of example. Clear? Suppose ratio of A is to B is given. Ratio of A is to B is given. Suppose this is equal to 2 is to 5. Clear? And ratio of B and C is given. B and C is given. Clear? Let it be 5 is to 9. Clear? And we have to find the ratio of A. We have to find the ratio of A is to B is to C. We have to find the ratio of A is to B is to C. So how can we find? So here it is simple. If value of A is 2k, value of B will be 5k. If value of B is 5k, value of C will be 9k. So these two are, this is the value of, this is the ratio corresponding, this is the ratio corresponding to B, this is the ratio corresponding to B. So these two are equal. Clear? Here B is common. B is common term. Clear? B is common term in both the ratio. Clear? And here also value of B is same. So if value of B, value of common term is given equal, then it is very simple. Directly you can write it will be 2. Clear? Is 2. Value of B is 5 and value of C is 9. So this is the ratio of A, B and C. Now let us see another example. Suppose value of A is to B is given 2 is to 5 and value of B is to C is given, suppose it is given 3 is to 7. Suppose this is given. Now here B is common term in both the ratio. A is to B, B is to C. So this B is common. Clear? And here value corresponding to B is 5 and here value of B corresponding to B is 3. So these two are not equal. So this time, clear, suppose we have to find the value of A is to B is to C. We have to find the value of A is to B is to C. So this time you can see the value of B, that is common in both the ratio. So here the value of B is not equal. Here it is 5 and here it is, this is the B corresponding to first ratio and this is the B corresponding to second ratio. So these two are not equal. In the previous question these two are equal. So if these two are equal, then it is easy to write ABC. Clear? Here these two are not equal. So what you have to do, you have to make these two equal. Clear? You have to make these two equal. So what is the LCM of 5 and 3? That is 15. So convert this in 15 and this also in 15. So multiply this ratio. If you want to convert this in 15, multiply this ratio by 3. So it will be 6 is to 15. Clear? Now you have to convert this ratio in 15. You have to convert this term in 15. Clear? So to convert this in 15, multiply this by 5. So 5 3s are 15 and here 5 7s are 35. Clear? Again I am repeating. Here B is common term, but the value of B corresponding to B are not equal in both the ratio. So you have to make these two equal. Now to make these two equal, clear, find the LCM of these two, 5 and 3, that is 15. So you have to convert this 5 into 15. To convert this 5 into 15, you have to multiply this by 3. So multiply both the term by 3. So 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 5, 15. And here we have to convert this in 15. So to convert this in 15, you have to multiply this term by 5. So 5 into 3, and this is also 5 into 7, that is 35. Now these two are common. These two are common. So you can write A is 6, B is 15, and C is 35. Clear? Now let us take another example. Example, suppose A is to B is given 2 is to 5. Clear? And A is to C is given 3 is to 4. Clear? Now we have to find the ratio of A is to B is to C. We have to find the ratio of A is to B is to C. Clear? So here ratio of pair A and B is given, ratio of pair A and C is given, and we have to find the ratio of A, B and C. So here A is common term. A is common term. But in the first ratio, value corresponding to A is 2. And in the second ratio, value corresponding to A is 3. So these two are not equal. So first of all, make these two equal. Clear? So what is the LCM of 2 and 3? LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So you have to convert this in 6. So to make this 2 6, of course you will multiply this by 3. So multiply this ratio by 3. So 3 2 is 6 and 3 5 is 15. Now you have to make this 3, you have to convert this 3 into 6. For that you will multiply it by 2. So 2 into 3, that is 6 into, and 4 into 2, that is 8. Now these two are equal. So what is the ratio of A, B and C? So it will be equal to A is 6, B is 15 and C is 8. A is 6, clear? B is 15 and C is 8. So ratio of A, B, C will be 6 is to 15 is to 8. So if pair of ratios are given, then you can find the ratio of 3 quantities. Clear? So I hope you have got this concept. Now in the next lecture we will discuss another concept. Thank you.